Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash from Charles Schwab to your checking account step by step clearly. To withdraw cash from your Charles Schwab account to your checking account, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account online. Use your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the dashboard. Look for the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Click on that account to view its details. Next, locate the Transfer option. Select Transfer Money from the drop-down menu. Choose the account you wish to withdraw from. Then, select your checking account as the destination for the funds. Enter the amount of cash you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is initiated. Check your email for a confirmation notification from Schwab. Funds typically take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your checking account. Keep an eye on your checking account balance during this period. Once the funds are available, you can use them as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.